हमने मोटिवेशन की बात की, हमने एजुकेशन की बात की, हमने कम्युनिकेशन की बात की, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की बात की, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की बात की, हमने साथ साथ में इंटरव्यू भी किया स्टूडेंट्स का. बट टुडे व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी कैजुअल एंड वेरी नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन सो दैट ये हमारे व्यूवर्स के लिए, सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए फ़ायदेमंद हो पाए. तो आर यू रेडी?
यस, आई एम रेडी.
राइट. तो आज हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? आज हम सना मैम से कुछ कैजुअल, कॉमन, नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन करेंगे कि एक सवाल का जवाब इंग्लिश में किस तरह से दिया जाता है कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ.
Yes.
Right. So can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
That's great. Do you like yourself?
Yes, I like myself.
What are you doing these days?
Nowadays, I am taking classes for my English speaking.
Oh, that's interesting. So are you excited for this?
Yes, I am excited.
Are you interested?
Yes, I'm interested.
Do you like our subscribers?
Yes, I like our subscribers.
That's interesting. So how are they?
They all are great and amazing.
Okay, that's fantastic. Can they speak English?
Yes, they can speak English.
Should they speak English?
Yes, they should speak English.
Oh, that's interesting. So what are your tips to speak good English?
Okay, whenever you about to speak, remove your hesitation.
Okay.
If you remove your hesitation, it will be very easy for all the students to learn English.
That's interesting.
Yes.
When do you wake up? Early in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You wake up at 7 o'clock. And when do you sleep?
I sleep at 12 o'clock.
Oh my God, 12 a.m. or 12 p.m.?
It's PM.
It's not p.m., it's a.m.
AM, sorry,
Right,
it's
okay.
AM.
You sleep 12 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you watch movies?
No, I'm not interested.
You're not interested. Do you watch serials?
No, not at all.
Not at all. So how do you utilize your time on your phone?
Sir, I use to get information, like I use YouTube for informative videos. I watch informative videos on YouTube.
You watch informative videos.
Yes.
That's really interesting. Okay. So do you think that we should also give information to our subscribers?
Yes, it's very important.
It's very important. Should we focus only English or other aspects also?
So we should focus on other aspects also, because it is very important.
It's very important.
Yes.
Apart from English, what should we give them?
We should give them a motivational speech.
Okay. So what is your motivation for all the students?
From my side, the motivation is that if you are focused on your goal, one day you will achieve your goal.
Okay, that's interesting. So before achieving your goal, you have to set a goal, right?
Yes, first set a goal.
Set a goal and get a goal.
Yes.
Right. Interesting. Okay. So how are you feeling this time?
So I'm feeling very amazing and great.
Okay. What is your habit?
I have so many habits. What are you asking about? What type of habit?
I'm talking about like which habit that you want to get rid of, or you want to overcome that habit, but that is torturing you much.
I haven't that type of habit.
Okay. So it means you don't have any addiction.
No, I don't have.
Okay. Do you have mother?
Yes.
Do you have father?
Yes, I have.
Okay, that's interesting. Do you have knowledge?
Yes, I have knowledge.
Okay. Which type of knowledge do you have?
Sir, I'm not perfect in every type of knowledge, but I have knowledge in every field, just little bit knowledge I have in every field.
That's interesting. Actually, our students and subscribers want to improve their personality, want to develop their personality. How can they develop their personality?
Okay, they have to focus on two things. The first thing is that their body language, and second thing is that while they are speaking, they don't think about am I speak right or wrong. Just try to speak more and more.
Okay, it means you want to give a motivation about speaking and public speaking. Body language,
And
confidence.
also speaking.
Just speak, all right?
Yes.
Don't worry about the mistakes.
Mistakes, yes.
Okay.
Mistakes man perfect.
Okay.
Mistakes make a man perfect.
Mistakes make a man perfect, and practice makes a man perfect.
Exactly.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you practice?
Yes, I do.
How do you practice?
Okay, with my mom, with my teachers, with my sibling.
Oh, that's interesting. Does your mom speak English?
Yes. Yes, she is.
Oh, that's interesting. Like, oh my God, Sana ma'am's mom speaks English.
Oh my God.
All right, that's interesting, really, you know. So your mom speaks English. Does she speak good English?
Not that much good, but she's trying.
Okay, she tries to
Yeah.
speak good English. Okay, like how do you talk to your mom? For example, there is your mom. Then how do you talk to your
Like, mom, I'm going, what are you doing? Okay, what are you cooking? That type of normal English.
mom? Okay, you talk normal English, right? So do you think that our subscribers or our students can also speak normal English?
Yes, they can speak.
Oh, so can they try?
Oh yes, they can try.
Should they try?
Yes, they should try.
Okay, should they practice?
Yes, exactly.
They should practice. That's interesting. All right, I feel so good to be the part of this conversation. Exactly right. So, first of all, tell me, what are the benefits of conversation?
Okay, first of all, if you are a doubtful, you can do a more and more conversation, and it will help you to improve your communication skill, as well as it will remove your all type of doubts.
Okay, that's great. So conversation can remove your doubts and also your hesitation,
Yes.
right? It will give you a communication. What are the profits and benefits of a good communication?
What are the okay, if you are a good communicator, okay, you can deal with any person very easily and with confidence.
Oh, that's interesting. So being a teacher, if I talk about the importance of communication for me, so what is the importance of communication for me being a teacher?
Being a teacher, if you deal with another teacher, you feel very confident. Okay, that time, and you deal very confidently and very positively with another one.
That's interesting. Okay, so for example, if somebody is in village, all right, he wants to or she wants to speak good English, right? What he or she should do?
Okay, she should join your online classes.
Oh, that's interesting fact you have talked about. Impressed with that. So they should join our.
Online classes, if it's not possible to take the offline classes.
Okay, that's interesting. So can they learn English or can they become an effective speaker by online classes?
Sir, the thing is that if they try their, if they give 100%, they are able to speak English. Or
That's
he or she
interesting.
can able to speak English.
Okay, so from our online classes, have you seen anyone speaking good English?
Yes, there are so many students I have faced.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Okay, how are your studies going actually?
They are going like okay, not that much good.
Okay, not that much good.
Yes.
How do you feel to be the part of Happiness Institute?
Okay, so first of all, I feel very great to be the part of this institution, and I have a teachers like you, and I have so many friends in this institution who motivates me and who always support me, and I am very glad I have a teacher like you who always stand behind me, in front of me, and who is very supportive. So I'm very lucky.
Thank you very much for this great gesture and for this great appreciation. I will be always, all right, standing behind you and in front of you, and in right side you, next left side
Yes,
you,
sir.
right? Okay, that's really interesting. Like a few more questions, and after that we will end the session, right? I think this conversation is going to be very helpful for all the students, right, who are watching this video. And okay, so tell me, how many hours do you study?
I just study 2 hours.
You study
But
2 hours.
with full focus.
With full focus.
Yes.
Great. Should we study with focus or for a long time or for a short time?
If we study for a short time with full focus, it will be very beneficial as compared to if we study a whole time without focus.
That's what. Okay, so what are your 3 tips to just practice English? Just stand in front of the mirror Okay.
and speak.
Okay.
And don't think I am right or wrong. Just speak, speak, and think in English. If you
Okay.
think in English, it will be very beneficial, and one day will come your tongue fluctuation problem get demolished.
Okay, that's fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, we had Miss Sana ma'am, and we had a very great and casual conversation. I think that it was very amazing and stupendous, right? And it was amazing because we did just first time we did a very common conversation as we asked about the daily basis questions, right? Can you speak English? Do you practice? Do you speak English like this? So I think that this video is going to be very helpful for beginners, right?
Yes.
So how did you feel in the video or in the conversation?
I feel very good as usual.
Okay, thank you very much. And everybody subscribe and share the channel, and we will see you attend our offline and online training. Thank you. Bye bye.